Hi, based on countless hours of research and comparisons, we selected the best products available in this year. When we prepared this top list, we reviewed several products. We analyzed the features, performance, and the value for money of each and every model, and read many reviews from customers too. Watch this video about the best models of this year and make sure to check the products links below. Sit back and enjoy.
The Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier provides 99.9% germ-free moisture for dry air relief. Designed for medium-sized rooms, this humidifier helps relieve dry air discomforts like dry throat, chapped lips, and static shock. With this unique humidifier, water passes through a UV system that kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the unit's water before being released into the air. 3 fan speeds control moisture output, and the Quiet Care technology makes it ideal for use in a bedroom. For germ-free, temporary relief from dry air discomfort, try the Honeywell Cool Moisture Humidifier. For more information,
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.